Every new day brings with it endless possibilities. But what really shapes success is not the big moments, it's the small, consistent action we take each and every day. Success is not achievable overnight. It's not about that one lucky break, that perfect moment. It's about showing up consistently, putting in the work, and trusting the process. Whether you are building a business, learning a new skill, or chasing a personal goal, the key is simple consistency. Think about this. Every time you lift a weight, you are not just building muscle, you are building discipline. Every note you play on that instrument is a step toward mystery. Every page you write, every minute you practice, every effort you put in. It's like stacking small building blocks, each day just a little bit more. Growth takes time. You don't see the results immediately, but just like this plant, every small effort contributes to something larger. In fact, it's often the smallest action that have the biggest impact over time. When you wake up every morning and commit to your goal, you are building momentum. You may not see the results today or even tomorrow, but every step counts. Progress is not always immediate, but over time it compounds. Imagine you are making just 1% improvement each day. That may seem insignificant at first, but over the course of a month or a year, those 1% gains add up. By the end of a year, you will have improved 365%. That's the power of consistency. When you start, it might seem like you are not making any progress, but as time passes, you begin to notice how far you have come. The daily efforts add up, and before you know it, you have accomplished what once felt impossible. And here's the thing, consistency does not mean perfection, it means showing up. Even on the hard days, even when the conditions are not ideal, even when you feel like giving up, it's about pushing through the challenges, continuing to move forward. Even when you feel like giving up, it's about pushing through the challenges, continue to move forward. There will be days when you fail, when things don't go as planned. That's okay. The important thing is getting back up and continue. It's in these moments when you face adversity that your consistency is truly tested. And it's during these times that growth happens. Success is built on showing up every day, no matter how small the task. It's about making steady progress. The secret is not about working harder than everyone else, it's about working smarter and doing it consistently. Some days may feel like you are barely moving forward, but remember this, even the smallest action moves you closer to your goal. You don't have to be perfect, you don't have to do it all at once. You just need to show up day in and day out. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. It's the product of persistence, patience, and dedication, and most importantly, it's the result of consistency. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about doing something every day, no matter how small. The key is to keep going, keep pushing forward because in the end, your consistency will lead to success. Success is built one day at a time. So today, take that first step and then tomorrow, take another. Keep moving forward and the result will come.